President ka United Democratic Party UDP uba medba lingdo hakasingi balang ulaong baka Sorkar jylla kadang yai beteng ban buddien khlem sangeh bat ka Sorkar pedeng halor ka jingdawa ban pyntreikam no mardor ya ka inline permit ILP haka jylla. Habakren syakila petai kubor uba medba ulapan kan mau baka ying dorbar tauan jengkin ripongut ki MLA dakawe ka jingmut kala menjur ya ka resolution halor ka nikaman hakabala pakru syaka Sorkar India nakabenta banyo ya ka jingmenjur. Ulaong ba menteri rangba bat ka kenhun menteri Sorkar kelayai beteng ban buddien bat ka Sorkar pedeng nakabenta ban menjur no ya ketika jing terwa hadu menta. Habak kali uni unong elam ke UDP ulaong baki don katu kat niki benta ki bala ban yating khu bat ki an jong ka Sorkar pedeng. Ya ka nika man don ka man penbait no la da jia baka don bat ya ka ka ba pensangi ya ka Sorkar bakan penya syakmat ya ka ni ngangit skam kin don ki katu kat niki man niki jing ka bolong shibenta jong ka kam ya ka baka Sorkar pedeng kadang persyang ban kemi benya ulaong. Ha kabayade baka jing sa ateng ban pyntreikam ya ka ILP uba medba ulaong baka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act MRSSA kanla banyarap shibun ban shimik sinjam ban tela kam ya ka jingwan rung kertep ki beriu ki banabar syaka ni ka jylla. Menta ha kabayade baka MRSSA ngam yo AA ru bakan don ka no kuno ka jing bakla. Kila ban yok bet ya ketika juk ban pet baka no kono rukam penyat ber rukam trekam kabade ban but renti halor ka jing so kya ka bayade ber ka jingwan rum kertap ki beri ki bana syabar ber ngat harai ka dengan nyarap shibun ula benram.
See, ILP, I would like to remind that the House of 60 members have taken a decision through a resolution which the same has been sent to the ministry, Government of India. And we have seen that even the Chief Minister, Cabinet Ministers also, they are pursuing the same, right from that point of time till to today. Now with regards to MRSSA, I don't see anything wrong with it. They can always get the same in place to see that whatever process and the system that has to be followed as far as the influx is concerned, I think it is going to help it in whatever way right now. See, I mean, state government has to pursue the matter again and again. There's no harm to it. There are few areas of concern, perhaps, which conflicts with the central law. That aspect has to be sorted out in case if it is there. And whatever that stop the government to go ahead with it is because of, I'm sure there must be some constraint and some issues which are part of that exercise that central government is trying to look into.